sin x what is the general solution of the equation sin x is equal to sin y? Please recall the previous knowledge. Please recollect the previous knowledge. What is the general solution of the equation sin x is equal to sin y? Tell me fast, my dear children. X is equal to for the equation cos x is equal to cos y. What is the general solution of the trigonometric equation cos x is equal to cos y? Tell me. Yes, 2n pi plus or minus y, comma y belongs to z. And third one, general solution of the equation tan x is equal to tan y. What is the general solution of the equation tan x is equal to tan y? Yes, x is equal to n pi plus y. X is equal to n pi plus y, comma y belongs to z. Please remember these general solutions. How many questions were completed so far in this exercise? How many questions were completed? How many questions were completed? Question number 6 is over. Now question number 7. See the question number 7. Sin 2x plus sin 2x plus yes sin 2x plus sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. Sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. This is the given trigonometric equation. In this case, we have to write the formula for sin 2x. There are two formulae for sin 2x. Do you remember the two formulae for sin 2x? Sin 2x is equal to, do you remember the formula for sin 2x? Tell me. What are the two formulae for sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x, 2 sin x sin 2x formula. Second one, two tan x by 1 plus tan square x. 2 tan x by 1 plus tan square x. These are the two formulae for sin 2x. So for the question, we use this formula. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x, 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x is equal to 0 because sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x. By using this formula, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x into cos x, we wrote this step. Okay. If you observe this step, what is the common factor? What is the common factor in these two terms? There are only two terms. There are only two terms in LHS. Yes, cos x. Cos x is a common factor. Let us take the common factor. Cos x. Let us take it out. Let us take it the common factor. 2 cos x, 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies, previously I told you, in the morning also I told you, product of two numbers. If the product of two numbers is equal to 0, if the product of two numbers, this is the first number, this is the first number cos x, and this is the second number. If the product of two numbers is equal to 0, then there are two possibilities. That is, the first number may be 0 or the second number may be 0. There are two possibilities. We take the ledger. So, cos x is equal to 0 or 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. So here cos x is equal to 0. What is the general solution? What is the general solution of trigonometric equation? Cos x is equal to 0. What is the general solution of cos x is equal to 0? X is equal to, tell me, what is the general solution of cos x is equal to 0? Yes, 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Very good, my dear. Is there 2n into pi by 2, comma, n belongs to z. So we got general solution of this first equation. Now take the second equation. 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2 sin x is equal to minus 1. We transpose plus 1 to RHS. It becomes minus 1. It becomes minus 1. Now, sin x implies sin x is equal to minus 1 by 2. In which quadrant it is a negative number? In which quadrant sin is negative? You have to identify in which quadrant sin value is negative. In which quadrants sin is negative? Tell me, in which quadrants? Yes, third and fourth. Yes, Q3 and Q4. So ignore minus 1 by 2. For what? For which angle of sin x is 1 by 2? From the well-known familiar table, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees. From that table, from that familiar table, yes, pi by 6. So pi by 6. But it lies in the third quadrant. This angle lies in the third quadrant because it is a negative. Actual angle is pi by 6, but it lies in the third quadrant. How do you express the angle in the third quadrant? Tell me. How do you express the angle in the third quadrant? Tell me. Yes, very good, Maria. Previously also I told you, use pi plus or pi minus. 2 pi plus or 2 pi minus, like this only. Okay, so to express an angle in the third quadrant, we write pi plus pi by 6. Sin of pi plus pi by 6 or fourth quadrant. How do you express the angle in the fourth quadrant? 2 pi minus that acute angle. That acute angle is pi by 6. So 2 pi minus 6. So these are the principal solutions we got here. So sin x is equal to sin 7 pi by 6 or 11 pi by 6. These two angles are principal solutions. Principal solutions. 7 pi by 6, 11 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 and 11 pi by 6 are principal solutions. Now we have to write general solution. General solution. It is in the form of sin x is equal to sin y. Sin x is equal to sin y. What is the general solution? X is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 7 pi by 6 comma n belongs to z. We have to take this first number on first angle, least angle, 7 pi by 6. So finally, the general solution of the given equation, is x is equal to, finally we write x is equal to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 comma n belongs to z, or x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n into 7 pi by 6. This is the general solution of the given trigonometric equation. Okay, my children. Is it clear? Is this clear? Understood this? Yes. Now take the screenshot. Take a screenshot. Take the screenshot. Just wait for a moment. Just wait for a moment. Page number 1. Take the screenshot of this page number 1. Now take the screenshot of this page number 1. Yes, my dear children, have you taken the screenshot of this page number 1? Yes. Yes. Now come to the next question. See the next question. Now see the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8. Please read this question number 8, my dear children. Any one of you? Please read the question number 8 loudly. Read the question number 8. Don't you know how to read the question?
I'll read.
Read, Ria. Read, Maria.
Sec square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x.
Yes. Here also, we have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Okay. Again, you have to recollect the previous knowledge. Trigonometric identities. You have learned trigonometric identities. One plus tan square a is equal to secant square a. Here secant square 2x is there. Secant square 2x. So by using this identity, how will you write? How will you write secant square 2x? Can you tell me? Secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. How will you write secant square 2x by using this trigonometric identity? Tell me. A means where a is equal to 2x. Okay, so 1 plus tan square 2x is equal to 1 minus tan 2x because secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. By using this trigonometric identity, I wrote LHS. 1 plus tan square a is equal to 1 minus tan 2x. Now, here 1 gets cancelled. Tan square 3x plus tan 2x is equal to 0. Don't strike out tan 2x, tan 2x. Okay, my children, don't strike out tan 2x and tan 2x. So, what is the common factor here? Tan 2x is a common factor. Yes or no? In these two terms, tan 2x is the common factor. Now find the solution. Tan 2x is equal to 0. Tan 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Tan 2x is equal to 0. It is in the form of tan x is equal to 0. It is in the form of tan x is equal to 0. What is the general solution of tan x is equal to 0? Do you remember? Please refer the previous pages of your classwork notes. Go to the previous pages of n pi. Yes. X is equal to n pi. X is equal to n pi. Where x means here 2x, don't write x directly. In the place of x, here 2x is there. Don't write x directly. Okay, my children. N pi. X is equal to n pi. But here, in the place of x, 2x is there. So 2x is equal to n pi, comma, n belongs to z. This implies x is equal to n pi by 2, comma, n belongs to z. So, we got general solution of this equation. This is over. This is over. Now come to the second trigonometric equation. Tan 2x is equal to minus 1. By transposing plus 1 to RHS, it becomes minus 1. Plus 1 changes to minus 1. So, minus 1. Ignore sign. Imagine it is 1 only. It is 1 only. For which value? In which quadrant tan is negative? In which quadrant tan is negative? It is negative. In which quadrant tan is negative? Second and fourth. Q2 and Q4. Then can you tell me what is theta here? Ignore minus sign. Take it as 1. Take it as 1. For which angle of tan? For which angle of tan is 1 pi by 4? Yes. So how do you express the angle in the second quadrant? How do you write the angle in the second quadrant? How do you express the angle in the second quadrant? How do you express the angle in the second quadrant? Yes, pi minus pi by 4. So, tan pi minus pi by 4, or fourth quadrant, how do you express? How do you express the angle in the fourth quadrant? How do you express an angle in the fourth quadrant? How do you express the angle in the fourth quadrant? Tell me. Yes, 2 pi minus 4. Very good, Maria. 2 pi minus 4. Previously also told you, in the previous class I told you, if you want to express an angle in the second quadrant, you should write it as pi minus. If you want to express an angle in the third quadrant, express that angle as pi plus. If you want to express an angle in the fourth quadrant, we have to express it as 2 pi minus theta. 2 pi minus theta. Theta means an acute angle. By that familiar table, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45, 90, that is called well-known angles. They are called well-known angles, familiar angles. So from that familiar angles table, we find theta, that is pi by 4. So we wrote here pi minus pi by 4, or tan 2 pi minus pi by 4. So tan 3x is equal to tan 3 pi by 4, or tan 4 2s are 8 minus 1, 7 pi by 4. So these two are principal solutions. These two are principal solutions. Principal solutions. 3 pi by 4. Here 2x is equal to 3 pi by 4, or 2x is equal to 3 pi by 4. Not x here, 2x, we have to take x, 2x is equal to 3 pi by 4, or that is x is equal to 3 pi by 8, or x is equal to 7 pi by 8. So we wrote the principal solutions. We got here principal solutions. We found x values. Now we have to write general solution. What is general solution? Tan x is equal to tan y. It is in the form of tan x is equal to tan y. See here, tan x is equal to tan y. Where x is equal to 2x. Don't write x. In this case, don't write x directly. 2x is equal to n pi plus y. N pi plus y. What is y? 3 pi by 4. Tan x is equal to tan y. Okay, this implies x where n belongs to z. So x is equal to n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8. This is the general solution. This is the general solution. Okay. Okay, my children. X is equal to transpose to RHS, then it becomes n pi by 2 plus 3 pi by 8 comma n belongs to z. Will you write the Last step, conclusion step. We write this solution or we write this solution. You write that last step, conclusion step. Understood this solution? Understood this solution, my children? Yes. Now take the screenshot of this page. Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Take the screenshot of this page number 2. Have you taken the screenshot of this page number 2? Now come to the next question. Last question. See the last question of this exercise. Question number 9. Given sin x plus sin 3x plus sin 5x is equal to 0. This is a given trigonometric equation. We have to find the general solution of this trigonometric equation. To find the general solution of this trigonometric equation, if you observe this equation, there are 3 terms in LHS. Sin x is the first term, sin 3x is the second term, sin 5x is the third term. As we followed the steps for question number 6, here also we have to make a pair of terms. We have to make a pair of terms in small brackets, and we write the remaining term outside the brackets. So for our convenience, I am taking the first term and the last term, because 5x plus x, 6x by 2. After applying the transformation formula, we get 3x. That is why we are pairing first and the last terms. We are pairing the first and the last terms. So sin 5x plus sin x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. This is in the form of sin c plus sin d. Transformation formula. We have to apply transformation formula for these 2 terms. What is the transformation formula? What is the suitable transformation formula to apply for these 2 terms? To apply transformation formula. What is the suitable transformation formula for these 2 terms? Sin c plus sin d. Very good, Amma Kadri. Sin c plus sin d. What is the formula? Do you remember what is the formula? Sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. I made you, all of you, I made you read the formula at that time when I explained, when I gave the formula, when I gave the transformation formula, I made you everyone read each and every transformation formula. And also I told you, you have to learn these transformation formula well. You have to memorize transformation formula. Not only transformation formula, you have to learn trigonometric identities. Whatever the formula you are learning in this trigonometric functions chapter, you have to memorize every time. Whenever you are getting leisure time, you have to memorize trigonometric formula. Okay. So sin C plus sin D. 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2 plus sin 3x is equal to 0. By applying this transformation formula, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. We got this step. By applying the transformation formula, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. We got this step. Okay. This implies 2 sin 5x plus x. We get 6x, 5x plus x, 6x by 2. And finally we get 3x into cos 5x minus x. 5x minus x, 5x minus x, 4x, 4x by 2. Finally, we get 2x plus sin 3x is equal to 0. Now, if we observe the terms in this step, what is the common factor here? Tell me, what is the common factor? What is the common factor in this step? In this step, what is the common factor? Can you identify? Yes, sin 3x. Very good, my dear Esther. Very good, Amma, Catherine. Cos. Yes, sin 3x is the common factor. We take it out. We take out the common factor. This implies sin 3x into what we get here? 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. In this step, again, I will repeat the same point here. The product of two numbers, if the product of two numbers is equal to 0, then the first number equal to 0 or the second number equal to 0. So, by using that rule, we get sin 3x is equal to 0 or 2 cos 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies it is in the form of sin x is equal to 0. This equation is in the form of sin x is equal to 0. What is the general solution of sin x is equal to 0? Tell me, what is the general solution? Yes, n pi. So, 3x is equal to n pi, comma, n belongs to n. Don't write x directly here, my children. Don't write x. Here 3x is given. The given angle is 3x. So we should write 3x is equal to n pi. This implies x is equal to n pi by 3, comma, n belongs to n. So we got the general solution of this trigonometric equation. Now come to this trigonometric equation. This implies 2 cos 2x is equal to minus 1. We transpose plus 1 to RHS, then it becomes minus 1. Or this implies cos 2x is equal to minus 1 by 2. This implies cos 2x is equal to In which quadrant it is negative? In which quadrant cos is negative? In which quadrant cos is negative? Second and third. Second and third. After identifying the quadrant, tell me the angle. Tell me the acute angle. What is acute angle here? Consider it is as 1 by 2. Take it this number as 1 by 2, not minus 1 by 2. For which acute angle we get 1 by 2? Cos of some acute angle is 1 by 2. For which angle of cosine we get 1 by 2? From that familiar table, from that well-known angles, that means 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. For which angle of cos? For which angle of cos gives 1 by 2? Tell me. Yes, pi by 3. Very good. Pi by 3. So, but this is theta. We found theta from the familiar angles table. Familiar angles table. Well-known angles table. But the angle lies in the second and the third quadrant. Second and the third. How do you express the angle in the second quadrant? How do you express an angle in the second quadrant? Yes, pi minus pi by 3. So cos of pi minus pi by 3 or in the third quadrant, how do you express an angle in the third quadrant? Third one, Maria, third quadrant, not fourth quadrant, third quadrant, not the fourth quadrant. I'm not asking fourth quadrant, third quadrant. Yes, pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3. Pi plus pi by 3. So, this implies cos 2x is equal to 2 pi by 3 or cos 4 pi by 3. These two are principal solutions. 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 are principal solutions. 2x, don't take it as x here. We have 2x only. 2x is equal to 2 pi by 3 or 2x is equal to 4 pi by 3. This implies x is equal to pi by 3 or x is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is x value. This is x value. After that, we have to write general solution. After that, we have to write the general solution. Okay. Up to here, note it down. I will write the general solution of this trigonometric equation. I will write the general solution of this trigonometric equation, and finally, I will write the conclusion step. Okay, my children. Understood? Now take the screenshot of this page number 3. Take the screenshot of this page number 3. Have you taken the screenshot of this page number 3? Yes. Is my dear Melam, my dear Easter, I will send you the classwork notes of first chapter set theory. First chapter is set theory. I will post, I will send you to your WhatsApp number. Today itself, I will send you PDF of classwork notes of the chapter set theory. That is first chapter, set theory. Please find out and write the classwork notes. After that, I will send you the next chapter classwork notes in the form of PDF. In the meantime, please finish that classwork notes and submit. Okay, my dear Esther and Melam. Today evening, I will send you the classwork notes of set theory in the form of single PDF, the entire chapter classwork notes. Okay. Now come to this point. Here, general solution. What is the general solution? 2x is equal to, it is in the form of cos x is equal to cos y. Cos x is equal to cos y. For this trigonometric equation, what is the general solution? X is equal to 2n pi plus or minus y. But here not x, 2x is there. We have to take this angle only. Don't take directly angle x. So 2x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus 2 pi by 3, comma n belongs to z. So this implies x is equal to 2n pi by 2 plus or minus 2 pi by 3 into 2, comma n belongs to z. This implies x is equal to here 2 gets cancelled, n pi plus 2 gets cancelled, pi by 3, comma n belongs to z. So, therefore, general solution x is equal to n pi by 3 or x is equal to n pi plus or minus pi by 3, comma n belongs to z. These are the general solutions of this trigonometric equation, given trigonometric equation. Okay. Take this. Now take the screenshot of this page number 4. Take the screenshot of this page number 4. Take it fast. Have you taken a screenshot of this page number 4? I'm telling you just for safety purpose to take the screenshot of every page. Anyhow, at any cost, I will send you the classwork notes in the form of PDF every day. In any case, if any technical issue arises, in that case, that safety side classwork notes will help you to write your classwork notes, to prepare your classwork notes. That is why I am asking you every time and everyone to take the screenshot. Okay, my dear children. Yes, my dear children, now the time is 3 past 17 minutes. Now you can leave the meeting. Tomorrow I will start new chapter. I will start new chapter, complex numbers and quadratic equations. A new chapter I will start. Be ready to the new chapter. And now take the rest. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. Stay at home, stay safe, sanitize your hands frequently, and maintain social distance of 2 meters away from others. And do your work sincerely and seriously. Write the classwork notes and submit it regularly. Don't delay in submitting your work. Don't be lazy in submitting your work or in doing your work. Don't be lazy. Thank you, my dear children. Thank you all.
Sir,
Nikhil?
sir, this topic is there for our exam, sir.
Not this exercise is not there, but I have at any cost I started this trigonometric functions chapter.
Yes, it is.
So only one exercise. Let us complete this complete exercise, complete chapter. Let us complete chapter. Only one exercise is deleted. It doesn't
Oh,
matter.
yes, sir. Yeah.
That is why continued. I
Okay,
continued.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you, my
Thank
dear
you, sir.
Nikhil. Thank you. Yes, thank you, my dear Richard.